Morning all, 2nd of February, 9:45 in the morning. Have a look at this. This is the thickest fog I've ever seen in my life. Fog my arse. This ain't fog, people. This is weather manipulation at its worst. Unbelievable. It's like, I appreciate I'm high up and I'm in the clouds, however, next level. Absolutely next level. Really need to, like I say, pay attention and listen to people, because this is fucking ridiculous now. This is full of all sorts of shit that's getting into your lungs, simple as that. My lungs, everyone's lungs. Absolutely beyond a joke. This needs dealing with, simple as that. It's fucking ridiculous.